the 9 best carbon monoxide meters. Carbon monoxide is an odorless, invisible, and potentially dangerous gas, so it is important to monitor for it carefully and accurately. These CO meters are easy to use and often inexpensive, and can help first responders, building inspectors, and cautious homeowners alike stay safe and protect others from poisoning. The list starts from Kita Cop. The Kita Cop, around $20, doesn't have the portability of a lot of other options, but it's an inexpensive and reliable model for use in the home. Owners can simply set it up and forget about it unless and until it signals that any dangerous gas is present. Low power alert, useful LED indicators, but clearing peak level is a pain. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is GXG1987 Precision Gauge. This GXG1987 Precision Gauge, APPX, $63, uses both a flashing light and an audible alarm to let you know if it has detected levels of carbon monoxide that present a danger to human health. It's effective in temperatures ranging from 32 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Large display window, electrochemical sensor, but not the most accurate option. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Pile Handheld PC MMO5. The Pile Handheld PC MMO5, around $90, is affordable and simple to operate, and its large LCD is easy to read. This is a good choice for anyone who just needs basic information in a specific space. And it runs on a single 9-volt battery. Fast sampling time, reliable safety alarm, but battery can be tough to access. Well, here is the 7th one. X-Tech CO15. The screen on the X-Tech CO15, about $115, constantly shows both the current reading and the maximum parts per million it has detected since you turned it on, so you can tell at a glance whether levels are increasing or decreasing. It provides both audible and visible alarms, adjustable warning point, 3 calibration settings, but doesn't measure continuously. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. Read instruments are 9400. The read instruments are 9400, around $169. Simultaneously shows gas concentration data and the current ambient temperature, providing you with a good deal of information at your fingertips. It offers both hold and maximum detection levels. 2. Quick response time. User adjustable alarm limit, but a tad on the bulky side. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, SensorCon Inspector Industrial. The SensorCon Inspector Industrial, around $149, is rugged and reliable enough for use by first responders or inspection professionals. Yet it's still priced in the range for concerned homeowners who want to be sure their residences are safe. Can be recalibrated as needed. Made in the United States, but convenient belt clip. Customers are king, and according to them one should buy this one. UEI Test Instrument CO71A. The UEI Test Instrument CO71A, around $189, boasts a simple interface with a glowing LED that changes color from green to yellow and eventually red as CO levels increase in parts per million, allowing users to know whether or not there's a problem. Includes a holster, backlit display, but low battery indicator. If you want cost efficient, this new one is for you. Forensics Detectors CO Alarm. The Forensics Detectors CO Alarm, around $100, comes with a handy plastic cradle you can stick to the dashboard of your car, allowing you to use it while on the road and then take it into your home whenever you return. It arrives from the factory calibrated and ready to go. Runs on 2 CR2032 batteries. Great for detecting exhaust leaks, but 1-year warranty. According to reviews, the second best product is Fluke Networks CO220. The Fluke Networks CO220, APPX, $432, is a highly accurate option, and a great choice for emergency response professionals who needs to quickly inspect their residence or facility in order to protect themselves from any dangerous exposure. Self-test sequence stores recorded data, but easy to read display.